Okay, so let's talk about this MonkForest underarms and inner thigh whitening cream. And the ingredients are French spring water, cetyl alcohol, cetyl glucoside, glycerin stearate, so on. So you just need to take a coin size, just like this. Okay, so rub it on your palm like this, then apply it the necessary area where you need to whiten it, like underarms, inner thigh, elbows, wherever the necessary you want to whiten it. Just apply like this and massage in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that you're done. The cream is non-sticky, you won't feel any stickiness, smells good, and it's very light. You won't feel that you applied anything. And part of the result, you won't get instant result, at least, excuse me, at least you need to wait for 10 to 15 days, then you can see a little bit of result. So you need to use it regularly, and then you'll see your skin is lightening up, like slowly. So yeah, that's it. Whoever wants to buy it or want to know more detail about it, you can DM me or you can check the website. The price is 999. So see you, bye. That's it for today.